Do you want to add closed captions to Facebook Reels? You can enable an auto caption generator in Facebook Reel videos with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to add closed captions to Facebook Reels. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. To add closed captions to a Facebook Reels video. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you're in Facebook, create a reel by tapping on Create Reel on the home screen or from your profile. A new screen will appear where you can either record a new video using the camera option or select a pre-recorded video from your device gallery. Once your video is selected or recorded, you'll be taken to the editing screen. Here, you can add music, text, effects, and more. After you're satisfied with your video, tap on the next button. On the next screen, scroll down to the bottom until you find the Closed Captions option. When you find it, tap on it. You'll see a toggle switch next to Automatic Closed Captions. Just tap on this switch to enable automatic captions for your video. Facebook uses speech recognition to transcribe the spoken words in your video into text. After enabling captions, go back to the previous screen. Here, you can add a description, tags, and any other details. Once you're satisfied with your video, tap Share Now to post your reel with closed captions. Facebook will automatically generate and display captions based on what you say in the video, and your friends and viewers will see them at the bottom of the video.